Okay, so the process of plant identification is looking at all parts of the plant. And the first thing that you want to look at is whether or not the plant is opposite or alternate in terms of how it holds its leaves. So let me kind of go here, and you can see where the petioles attach to the stem. That's exactly what you want to look for, where the petioles are attaching to the stem. And notice if they are directly across from each other or if they are alternating one at a time up the stem. Because if we look at this structure here, it looks like that these leaves are opposite. But we need to go where it attaches to the stem, and you can see that we've got one at a stem. So we want to look at that. That's the first thing we want to look at. Then we want to look at the leaves. What do they look like? Are they compound? Are they simple? Do they have color? Do they have texture? Then we want to look at stems, and in this case you can see the stem is very, very fuzzy. We want to look at the texture and the color of the stem. If there is fruit, we definitely want to look at fruit. We can step back and take a look at habit. Here we have a multi-stem shrub. We can look at habit. We can look at bark. We can look to see if the bark has different colors on it, if the bark has lenticels on it, if the bark has ridges and furrows or is exfoliating, meaning peeling. We can look at fall color, which isn't developing yet, but we can look at all kinds of different things, and that is the process. You want to always start with opposite or alternate, then look at leaves, then look at buds, then look at stems, bark, habit, and fruit. And if you check everything and all of the boxes check for a given plant, then you will usually figure out what that plant is. Go through the process every single time.